In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add Facebook highlights onto your profile page. Facebook highlights are essential for spotlighting key moments, content, and achievements, boosting engagement and making your profile more appealing to visitors. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On your home page, head into your Menus section. You will then tap right here to head into your profile. If you want something like this on your Facebook profile page, you can just tap on New to add an highlight. But if you don't see this option of adding a new highlight, simply head to Edit Profile. Scroll down to the very end. You will see the option of Add Highlights. Head into it and select any highlight you wish to add to your profile. It will either choose from your story highlights or photos and videos from your phone gallery. That's how easy it is to add story highlights to your profile on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.